Alrighty guys, so in this video I'm actually going to be showing you how you can actually get started right now and potentially earn some income almost by tomorrow, guys. And I'm going to be showing you an insane strategy, a secret strategy that not a lot of other YouTubers are going to show you. So make sure you watch this video. I'm serious about this entirely, so you know exactly how this works. So let's get started right now, because I don't want this to be a long video. I want you guys to get started understanding how this works. So first off, YouTube is an insane platform, and I want to show you something that's really cool inside of YouTube. Now think about YouTube as a high school. Think about YouTube as you looking for your friends, or your friends looking for you. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys have been to school and had a group of friends that you hung out with, but everybody else in school you just don't talk to. So imagine that on a bigger scale on YouTube. Now let me show you something that's really cool about this, guys. Whenever I used to start up my YouTube channel, I was actually doing this myself. So I went to my oldest videos that I have on YouTube, was a year ago. So you can see me right here reviewing products. Alley Inspector review, V2 plus bonuses. Look at this, Shop Monopoly review, 2019 e-com store builder. I was actually doing this strategy, guys, and I was showing you, this is my earliest videos I have created on YouTube, and I was doing product reviews, and I'm going to show you where I actually found these products and how you can actually get started putting this in front of customers' faces. 300 views can give you a couple $100, guys, because these people are looking for these products. Now let me explain to you this strategy as we go on. So the way I found these products is right here on Munchai. Now keep watching this video, guys. This is something that's insane. So let's go over here real quick. Munchai is a place where you can actually look for products that aren't even out yet, and you can actually already start to promote them before they even come out. So once they do come out, people are going to click on your link if they're interested in what you have to offer them, and these people have bonuses in their back ends. So let's go over here real quick. So once you click on a product, I don't know what product this is, we're going to come over here to JV page, and you can see you get 50% commissions of $47, and that's just the front end. So you're gonna get $25 every time somebody buys this product from you. And if people are looking for something like this, because they wouldn't be looking up a product review if they're not interested in buying it, so you can actually put this in front of those guys' face, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, how you can actually get your competition out of your way and possibly even steal their sales. Now this is something that's insane. I think I should be charging money for this, but I want to help you guys out as much as I possibly can. So this is a QR code mobile rewards program and gift card system for small businesses. So we really don't care really about any of this, because all we're looking for are the people that want to buy something like this. So let's just go over here to swipes and bonuses. Let's see what they're going to be able to get, guys. Table of contents, just read about it, see if you're interested in it, and just read about it, because you're gonna have to talk about it inside of your video. So you're gonna get all this information here, guys, and then we're just looking for something that's they even have pre-made emails. Look at this, pre-mail, big opportunity angle. Wow, app creates, so it says your link, sign off. So you have already pre-made emails that you can use to put inside of your email list, and then see if people are interested in actually getting this product right now through your emails, guys. So all you have to do is just pretty much copy and paste, put in your affiliate links, and you are good to go. Let's go back real quick. I'm trying to look for something that shows us like the actual back ends, the upsells and downsells and just stuff like that. This is just talking about the product itself. If this one's not going to show us yet, then we'll be looking for another product really quick. And so let me keep on looking for that while we keep. All right, so here it is right here, guys. Here's some bonuses. So it says right here, congruent funnel with up to $516 per sale. You're gonna get 50% commission. So it says right here, guys. So we're gonna, the front deal is gonna get $47, right? So once they go down one level, they're gonna be upsold up to this right here, which is it's gonna tell you all the benefits and all this stuff. That they're gonna try to sell you that product for around $100. So that's already $150 right there. then they're gonna sell you again. Oh, this is a down sell, so if they don't accept this offer, they're gonna bring them down one, and then they're gonna offer them this one. And if they accept this one, or if they skip it, then they're gonna get upsold to this $200 product. And this is how the funnels work. They're gonna keep on upselling them, downselling them until they purchase almost everything possible, and then they're gonna send you over your commissions. And this is how this whole system works, guys. I want to get straight to the point because this video can become long. But let's say we are going to purchase this product. Let's say we're going to actually market this product, not purchase it, market it to people that want to buy it. Now the next step is looking for those people. So let's go over here real quick. I want to show you something real quick. Let's go over here. Let's open up a new YouTube tab, and I want to look for somebody. So this is one of the most well-known product reviewers on YouTube that I know of, and I want to show you something about this, guys. Let's say we're trying to look for this Phoenix video right here. So this Phoenix one right here, guys. Let's review that product then. So I'm not sure if it's on Munch High right now. So let's just go look for it real quick so I can show you exactly how this strategy can be done. So let me just scroll through this. It's already a done product, so just launched, and there it is right there, Phoenix 2.0. So let's go over here to this page. You can see the funnel. Look, front end, upgrade 1, upgrade 2, upgrade 3, 4, 5, 6, down sells, all right here, guys. So this is a really cool product. This is the reason why he probably reviewed it, just because of how many upsells and downsells are inside of this funnel. So we can get our affiliate link here. This is going to be on Warrior Plus, so it's going to send us to Warrior Plus. I have to sign in, and then I'll get my link there. So let's say I already got my link, and now we want to promote this in front of people. We're going to make a product review just like he has done, and then we're going to be reviewing the products right here, guys, just like this. And now let me show you something really quick. So let's say I want to get his traffic. He has 1,200 views. Imagine how much money he has made from that one video if, let's say, 200 people have bought from that product, or bought that product from his link. So watch this. Let's go to Google Ads real quick. You can see that I was actually doing this a long time ago. I'm not sure why this is still here. This was like a year ago, or whenever I started my YouTube channel. I was actually doing this type of stuff, guys. I have a lot of campaigns that I used to work with. So yeah, I don't want to do that because then it's going to show you a whole crap ton of lists. So let's just open up a new campaign real quick, and I'm gonna have to blur some of this stuff out. It's important, sensitive information. Let's come over here to product and brand consideration. I want to go to brand awareness, reach, leads, web traffic. Let's just go over here. Let's create a custom campaign. I want to do a video ad because we're creating a video for this. I want to go to non-skippable in stream. We can do that one, or we can do no, let's do non-skippable in stream, and then we can possibly try out outstream. So let's just click on non-skippable, and then let's skip all of this. It's gonna be, let's try to test out like $5 a day. So let's just put in the number 5. Our marketing, I want to look for the actual marketing. So right here, guys, no, not this one, let me see, placements. So right here in placements, this is where it's gonna get juicy. This is where it's gonna get crazy. We're gonna come over here to his YouTube video. We're gonna copy this. So I want to go to copy link. I want to go back into Google Ads. I want to copy and paste, or control and paste that in, and his video should show up. So YouTube videos, we're gonna actually accept that one because we're making a product review of this product. Before they watch his video, they're gonna watch our video. If you can hype it up, if you can actually and make the people click on your link, that video about you reviewing the product instead of him, then you're gonna be getting his traffic of this product, and they have the more higher potential to click on your link and buy it from you than him. Now that's not it, guys. We can look at this. So let's go back to the YouTube channel real quick. Let's go right here, Control V, and let's click on review. Now look what pops up. We have 311 views, 1,100 views, 91 views. So we can copy and paste all of these videos, every single last one of them, put them inside of this Google Ads. They're gonna show up, click on them. Now everybody that wants to watch these videos about this product review, they're gonna see yours first before theirs. Now you have the potential of actually getting all of their traffic before they even watch the video that they wanted to watch. You just have to make it exciting and make it sound more interesting of your deals, your products, and your offers. theirs, guys. So this is really simple. You're gonna get some upgrades and you might get some bonuses inside of this product as well. You just have to look at every product is different. So sometimes you're gonna get bonuses, and other products you won't. Like this one, I don't think you'll get extra bonuses for your viewers. So this is something really simple and easy, guys. I just wanted to show you something that not a lot of other YouTubers would actually tell you. This is something that is really profitable, and I was doing this a long time ago. You can see these product reviews here, but then I started to switch over to making money online, so you can see that right there. So I was doing money making and product reviews, and then that's where my journey started on YouTube, to just showing you how to make money, and it started to take off. And you can just see all of these videos of me just showing you how to make money different ways, and I'm going to continue to do this. You can see my thumbnails starting to change. This is how a YouTuber does it. What I should do is come back to these videos and change all the thumbnails, but I just want to keep it all the way it is, because it's all natural and it was all me. So guys, at the end of this, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.